Hello and welcome to another video on Zoho book for new business owner. So in the couple last video, I asked ChatGPT to develop a roadmap to help me how to learn in an efficient and effective way Zoho book. At least give me the basic notions, basic understanding, the big picture of how to use and the fundamental of the Zoho books, especially as a new business owner, right? So, uh, ChatGPT output a roadmap of 4 weeks where I'm going to dedicate roughly 50 minutes every day, 50 or 30 minutes. Okay, so right now, in the day one or in the week one, getting started is to get yourself familiar with Zohobook trial accounts, or familiarize yourself with the Zohobook user interface and navigations. So, based on a tutorial video from their website, Zoho Books in a nutshell, so it's an accounting online software that allows you to create invoice as well as manage business contact. So it behaves somewhat like a CRM, this customer relationship management. Okay. It allows you to make estimates, sales order, credit notes. This is now relevant to the business operations. Estimates, sales orders, and credit notes. Okay. Something that I'm quite familiar to these three concepts. Estimation, of course, I'm quite familiar with estimates. Sales order, not in a, let's say, in a formal way. So sales order and credit notes, as well as keep track of your expense, bills, and vendor credits, and much more. Okay, so this is just to illustrate what are the common things that you can do with Zoho Books. It allows you to generate invoice, so manage your business contact, as well as create estimates, sales order, uh, estimate, sales order, credit notes, as well as keep track of your expense. Something that I really will appreciate that. So keep track of your expense, your bills, vendor credits, and much more. Credit notes are quite different to vendor credits, okay? Because this is money that you own to your to your providers and suppliers. Where now credit note is more orientated to someone else, or individual or business. It's lending that you do to other business or individuals. Keep track sales tax liabilities, and I am quite familiar with the sales tax, whether it's GST, VAT, um, uh, as well as excise tax. So keep track your sales taxes liabilities and connect with your bank account and conciliate transaction, which is something good, very good. Okay, pay vendors through Zoho Books. You can do that, and allow you to record up to or provide you 50 plus, provide you more than 50 reports, and create a client portal for your customers so they can see their own invoice. And back up your data and allow you to access online, okay, whether it is on Apple, Google, or Microsoft. Okay, all right. So in today's video, I would like to dedicate more about the getting started video here, and about each one of those sections I would like to take in account. Okay, like items, customers, opening balance, invoice, online and offline payments, dashboard, and that kind of thing, right? So in today's video, I'm going to focus is on sign up and getting started.
Welcome to Zoho Books, a powerful financial platform for your business. With Zoho Books, you can handle all your accounting needs, such as managing invoices, purchases, budgets, inventory reports, and much more. In this
Okay, so let me go to YouTube here. We'll take a look at this. And there you got it. Okay, Zoho Book Finance Masterclass. Setting up your account with Zoho Books. Build your brand with Zoho Books. Work remotely with users and accounting with Zoho Books. Managing inventory with Zoho Books. Effective contact management. Manage purpose with Zoho Books. 6 years, 4 years. Zoho Book invoice, Zoho Book expense, Zoho Book subscriptions, Zoho Book inventory. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Zoho Books
So I think they split this. Setting up and getting started. Okay, let's take a look at this.
Let's get started with Zoho Books. If you already have a Zoho account, you can use your existing Zoho credentials to create a new Zoho Books account. If you are a new user, click on the sign up button on the top, or you can click on the start my free trial button. This sign up form need to be filled with your company name, email address, contact number, password for your account, and select the country from the drop down. Once done, click on create account. Please note that if you are a new user, you will receive an email to confirm your registration with Zoho. Now, you'll be directed to a quick setup page. Here you can add the industry type, choose the time zone, and enter your company's address. In this section, you can enter the sales tax information. Check this box if you are registered for sales tax. Here you can enter the tax name, tax rate in percentage, and the corresponding tax authority.
Okay.
We are also integrated with Avalara. Avalara is a tool which helps you to automatically calculate your taxes based on your customer's location and the product or the service which you sell or offer. To connect with Avalara, you can click here and enter the credentials. Here you can choose the modules which you will be using for your business, such as return invoices.
Exactly. Allow you to choose the model you require for your business. Estimations, retainer invoice, timesheet, price list, sales order,
orders, purchase orders, and if you would like to keep track of inventory, check this
I would like to enable inventory.
box and choose the inventory start date.
This is the feature that you can allow to do. Okay, so estimate, send new proposals and getting approved from your customers. Retainer invoice, collect advance payments or retainers from your customers. Okay, time sheets, track time for projects and bill them to your customers. Price list, customize price list for your customers for the items you sell. Okay. Sales order, confirm your customer order and ship goods soon. Purchase order, create and send orders to purchase goods. Okay, but estimate retainer invoice, collect advance payments or retain from your customers. Time sheets, price list, customize price list for your customers for the items you sell. For the items you sell orders, confirm your customer order and ship goods soon. Purchase order, and this.
Zoho Books is integrated with multiple online payment gateways to help you collect money online. You can connect with one. Once done, when you send out an invoice, your customers can make online payments and the invoice will be automatically marked as paid. Now, click on Get Started. Your Zoho Books organization is created successfully. Please note that you can go to Settings, the gear icon on the top right corner, to configure your organization. Thank you.
So this is for registration.
Select your business location.
And this was 2 years ago, and this is 4 years ago. So this is more recent. So I will take a look at this. This is far more recent.
Enter your company name, email address, and create a password. Click here to agree to the terms and privacy policy and click Create Account. Add your business address in this page. You can select the language, currency, and time zone and then click Get Started. You will get a verification email in your registered email address from where you can confirm your account.
Exactly.
After you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Getting Started page, which will give you a brief overview of how to get started with your accounting. You can find the corresponding how-to videos and webinars here. Here you can configure the modules you wish to enable on the left sidebar.
Okay. So now the configuration is here. It's not on, okay. Retainer invoice, price list, sales order, purchase order. Okay.
Under Items, you can add all the products and services that you provide in your business. In the Banking module, you can connect your bank account, import bank statements, match transactions, and reconcile your account. In the Sales module, you can add customers, reconcile your bank services that you provide in your business. In the Banking module, you can connect your bank account, import bank statements, match transactions, and reconcile your account. In the Sales module, you can add customers, create estimates, record advance payments through retainer invoices, create sales order for the items that you sell, create invoices for your customers, and you can also keep track of all the payments through payment received. You can also create recurring invoices for your regular customers and store your customers' credit through credit notes. Your regular customers and store your customers' credit through credit notes. Next, you have the Purchase section where you can add your vendors, create expenses and recurring expense. You can create and keep track of all your purchase orders and bills. You can track all the payments made to your vendors through payments made. You can add your recurring bills here and also track all the credits from your vendors through vendor credits. With the Time Tracking module, you can handle project accounting and keep track of all your projects. You can also log time for different users under Timesheet, which will later be used for billing. In the Accountant module, you can find a chart of accounts, budgets, and a variety of other accounting transactions. Under Reports, you can generate business reports like profit and loss, cash flow statements, and balance sheet, and get the real-time insights needed to optimize your business. You can schedule reports, share them securely with your team,
share reports,
and also export them to your system. Next, let's go to Settings, where you can view additional preference for your organization. Here, you can configure your opening balance, you can add multiple users and assign roles, you can add your taxes, set up templates, configure various integrations, and do a lot more. Now that you have a basic overview of Zoho Books, let's look at a few basic steps to quickly set up your organization and start your accounting. First, you'll have to configure your chart of accounts. You can do this by going to the Accountant section and selecting Chart of Accounts. Here you'll have a well-defined list of accounts and their corresponding account types.
Account types. Exactly. Chart of accounts.
If you wish to add any additional accounts, you can click the plus new account button here. Choose the account type and enter the account name. Enter the account code.
Other asset, raw materials. Okay. Chart of account.
And description. And click Save. Your account is now created.
Chart of account. What does it mean, chart of account? So let me ask ChatGPT about this. It's like, what does it mean, chart of account in Zoho books? It's a categorized list of all financial accounts. Okay, it's a categorized list of all financial accounts used by business or organizations. It provides chart of account. It provides a structured way to organize and track various financial transactions and activity within the company. The chart of account is a fundamental tool in accounting, allowing business to record, and report financial data accurately. Each account in the chart of accounts represents a specific financial category, such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expense. These accounts are typically assigned a unique account number or code for easy identification and sorting. Assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expense. So the chart account. So if I take a look at this chart of accounts, chart of account, plan de cuotas. An index of all the financial accounts available for use in the company general ledger. Okay, an index of all the financial accounts available for use in a company general ledger. All right. So with that, that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.